So what you have to
will now be recorded.
Did you install the SQL Server first? Not yet, right? Yeah, just double click on that SQL Server 2019. Oh, you install the SQL Management Studio. Whatever the SQL Server, did you install? Let's check whether you have installed or not. Wait, close it, close all this. Okay, no, I think you have already installed. So let's do whether we have installed SQL Server or not. To check, simply you can go to the start, open the SQL Server Management Studio. SQL, yeah, the top one you can open. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Yes. Yeah. Just double click on that, it will open. Yeah, wait, it will open. Just minimize this one. Did you install yesterday SQL Server? I'm asking you, did you install or not yesterday? Do you remember? Are you answering my question?
Yes, I have installed SQL Server 2019.
You no need to install again. Minimize this window as well. Minimize. Yeah. The SQL Management Studio is opening. Let's check whether you install the SQL Server and SQL Server Analysis Services already or not. We can check by using the SQL Server Management Studio. Just don't recover. Yeah. So click on connect. There is a connect option available. Yeah. So wait. Click on that server name, down arrow mark, right side down arrow mark. Server name.
Server.
Drop down. Right. Browse for more. Browse for more. Click on database engine. That arrow mark. Yeah. And click on the analysis server. All right. So install the SQL server as well analysis services. Please keep on mute. Okay, so you have already installed a SQL server and analysis services server. Okay, just cancel it. Oh, wait. Go to the server name arrow mark again. Browse for more. Database engine. Click on that desktop. That is your server name. Yeah, click OK. All right, now click connect. This is our SQL server source data warehousing. But this data warehousing required a a sample database, right? So we have already downloaded one sample database. If you remember that database, we need to add under the databases. How to add that one? You have already downloaded a database, right? So go to downloads folder. First copy that database file into C drive. How to attach a database backup file into a SQL Server? So go to the downloads folder. Downloads folder. Yeah, AdventureWorks 2017.bk show in folder. Click on show in folder. Right. Just copy this AdventureWorks DW 2017.backup file into C drive. Continue. All right. Now you can go to SQL Server Management Studio, whatever you have already opened. You have already connected, right? Now you open 2 times. Yeah, close all the times. Keep it only 1 time. Oh, you closed all the times. Please open the SQL Management Studio again. Right, wait, it will open. Okay, so now right click on the databases. Restore database. So you need to select a device. Click on the device. All right. Now you can come to the right side. See, there is a 3 arrow marks on the right side after device. Right side of the device. There is a device option you selected, right? In that line at the ending. At the ending, the device line right side. Are you able to see 3 dots here? Go up. Go up. Just come down. Just come down. Just come down, man. See, there is a device, right? Just move your mouse to device. Yeah. Click on add. Go up. Click on C drive. Yeah. See here, right side AdventureWorks DW2017.bak file. Click OK. Then click OK. Then click OK. Click OK. Alright, so now your database added. You can go to the databases. See, this database contains some tables also. Expand the database. AdventureWorks DW2017. Expand the tables. So this contains all your customer sales information. Okay, perfect. Your database and data source data warehousing is all set. Now, if you want to connect to your analysis services, just minimize this one. Scroll up and minimize. Scroll up and minimize. Yeah, minimize. Yeah. How to connect to analysis services? Simply click on connect over there on the top. Connect option is available. The bottom. Connect. Object Explorer. Connect. Bottom. Come down. Left side. Connect. There is a connect option. Click. Did you see Object Explorer? In the bottom of Object Explorer, there is a connect. Click on Analysis Services. Right. Now click on the server name. Browse for more. Select Analysis Services. Select this one. Click OK. Click Connect. So whatever the data we are taking from the data warehousing SQL Server, by taking that data, we are going to design a report, design a data modeling database. That database we are going to keep under these databases. That's what we are going to do. So where we can design this data model and database, that we are going to design under the SQL Server data tools. Simply go to the start. Did you install the SQL Server data tools? The bottom. Go to the start. SQL Server data tools. I think you haven't installed. You can type it like this: Visual Studio. Remove it. Visual, VASUL. I think you haven't installed. Okay, so there is a downloaded file, right? Simply go to the downloaded folder. You haven't installed. There is a SSDT setup ENU. Yeah, double click on that. Did you install this one yesterday?
I have not installed.
Yeah. Now we can start the installation. This one. So once this installation is completed, then we can start the development of the model. Yeah, double click on that. Did you open that? Go to the show in folder. Are you there? Yeah, okay, it's opening. Wait. It's opening, wait. Don't click again. Please minimize this one. This cannot access the specified device path or file. Okay, again double click on it. Now go to the folder and click on that. Yeah, just wait, you already clicked on it. Right. So now we need to click on next. Oh, you opened so many times. Wait. Let's close one by one. Close. Keep it one time. Close this also. Yeah. Click next. Yeah. So here click on install. Right. So it will take some time to install. Let me open on my machine whatever the SQL Server and what are the SQL Management Studio, all the things I have used. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. SQL Server Management Studio, let me open. So let me connect to this database engine, whatever we have installed last time. Go to the database engine and batch 57. Then click OK. Then click connect. So I'm not able to connect to this server. I'm not able to connect to the server. I think this server is not running. So how to start this service? So simply go to the services. So SQL Server Analysis Services, Analysis batch 57 is running, but we need to check SQL Server batch 57. Yeah, see this is not running. So we need to start here. Okay, all right. Now click on connect. I want to add a database over here. Right click on the databases, restore the database. Click on device. Select this AdventureWorks DW 2017.backup file. Then click OK. Then click OK. Alright, so AdventureWorks DW 2017 is the database. Let me see analysis services also. Select analysis services and let's see how many times we have installed analysis services. I installed 5 times, but batch 57 I want to connect. Click connect. Now, so I'm very clear about this SQL Server and analysis services. Let me go to the Visual Studio 2017 SSDT SQL Server Data Tools. By using this studio only, we are going to develop the Cube database. Click on that. Okay, so first we need to create a project. How to create a new project? Go to File, click on New Project, select the Analysis Services Tabular Model. Click on Analysis Services Tabular Project. Give some name for this one. I will give Tabular Project 57. Then click OK. So when you are going to this is desktop KDD3 batch 46 cube. I am going to save temporarily my solution in the server in this analysis services. Whatever the model I am going to create, right? So this model I am going to temporarily saving inside over here. All right, just test the connection. Then click OK. Then click OK. Okay, so now we can go to the solution explorer. So this is your model. Go to the tabular model project. Under this tabular model explorer, you can see there is a tabular project 57. And first, what we need to do, as per our architecture, our data source is a SQL Server data warehousing. I have added a database as well. By using this SQL Server data tools, we need to take this data and we need to design the modeling over here. Whatever the model we have designed over here, then we are going to use the analysis services. That model we are going to publish into this analysis services. This is what our plan. So to take the data from the SQL Server, first we need to create a data source connection. So simply you can right click on the data sources, import from data source. So what is our data source? It is a Microsoft SQL Server. Then click next. What is your server name? This is my server name. Desktop KTD is a batch 37. From where you can take this one? That you can take from this database engine, this one. Nothing but this one, because in this only we have the databases. AdventureWorks DW 2017. Okay, and what is the database you are going to connect? I am going to connect to the AdventureWorks DW 2017. Then click next. Here you need to provide the username password. Which username? Whatever the Windows username. This one. Desktop KTD 3BKJ Lenovo. Okay. So simply you can go to here. Lenovo. And set your Windows password. Okay. Then click next. So I'm going to import few list of tables from your data source from here. Under the tables list, we have some list of tables and data, right? So that we are going to import. Then click next. What are all the tables you want to import? I want to import all customer information, date information, and product information, product category, product subcategory. This is a kind of a sales information like Amazon and fact internets. Okay, and also geography, dim geography. Yeah. Then click on finish it. Okay, so I have imported all the details. All right. So this is dim customer, dim date, dim geography, dim product, and dim product category, subcategory, fact internet sales, all these details. Okay. Simply close it. All the list of the tables are coming over here. Dim customer, dim date, dim geography, dim product, product category, product subcategory, and fact internet sales. All right. See here. So we have created a data source, that is This one, SQL Server Desktop KDDG, AdventureWorks DW 2017. And what are the list of tables we have connected? DIM customer, DIM date, DIM geography, all the list of tables. Those tables you can see in the table format, or you can go to the diagram format. Click on diagram format. So this is our data model. I will try to minimize this one. Okay, so this is the fact internet sales table, and this sales table contains relationship with your customer table and product table and fact internet sales table. Okay, and each customer belongs to which location, that information we have in the DIM geography table, and also DIM product subcategory and product category table we have. So what is this schema type? It is a snowflake schema, because whenever few dimensions having relationship with your fact table, whenever a few dimension tables having relationship with our fact table, here if you observe, here if you observe, here if you observe, only few dimensions like a date dimension, customer dimension, product dimension, only these three tables having direct relationship with your fact table. The other geography, subcategory and category tables doesn't contain any relationship with our fact table. Doesn't contain any relationship with our fact table. Alright. So this kind of schema we are calling it as a snowflake schema. If you observe in the modeling as well, in between two tables, always we have only one relationship. Only one relationship. But in between this date table and our fact internet sales table, we have three relationships. Whatever the three relationships we have, only one relationship is in active status, another two relationships are in inactive if you observe. The three relationships you can see on what columns it has created. The first relationship, I'm going to double click on that. See here, from the fact internet sales table there is a order date and this is a date key. And other one is, just double click on it again, ship date key here and date key here. And the other one is due date key here and date key is here. Okay, so this is how we have three different kind of relationships available, but only one relationship is in active status. How you know which one is in active? See, active check mark is enabled for the order date, but when you are going to the same Power BI data modeling, whatever the options we have, here also same. Okay, if you already completed the Power BI, then this 100% is similar. Here we have a ship date keywise, but it is inactive. When you are trying to make this active and click OK, it will not tell, it will throw error. See, an active relationship already exists between the fact internet sales and DIM date table. Deactivate or delete the existing relationship to create another one. An active relationship already exist between the fact internet sales and dim date table. All right. So this is how we can able to have only one active relationship. What about this inactive relationship? The inactive relationships, if you want to make active, you need to use a DAX that I will explain you later. The fundamental thing is in analysis services tabular model, in between two tables, there should be only one active relationship. And also, how to create a new relationship? Let's say, for example, if I'm deleting this relationship in between these two tables, delete from the model. So we are going to create on fact internet sales product key, and here dim product table product key. So simply I'm going to drag and drop this one. All right. So now what I'm expecting, if you observe in between two tables when it is creating a relationship, you can see there is a star symbol and one symbol. What is this meaning of star symbol and one symbol here? This is the star symbol and one symbol. What is this meaning of star and one? So in the fact internet sales table, you have a product key, and in the product table also you have a product key. On these two columns, we are going to create the relationships. On these two columns, we are creating the relationships over here. So product key versus product key. But one thing, if you observe, this side it has a star, this side it has one. That means in the fact internet sales table product key, the values in that column repeating. But in the product table, product key is not repeating more than one time. Why? Because in the fact internet sales table, same product can be purchased by multiple customers. That is the reason the product key value will be repeating. But in the product table, product key is not repeating, because inside the product table we are maintaining what are all the list of products we are offering. But in the fact table, what are the products we are already sold. So many customers can purchase the many number of products, correct? So this is how we have different kind of when there is a values repeating, there are different kind of cardinalities available. One many to one, we are calling this as a many to one. Many means star, one means here. So many to one means whenever we have more than one time the values in the key column, that is many, and whenever we have less than one, I mean only one time it is repeating, we are calling it as a one time, many to one time. Okay, many to one time. Similarly, you have other cardinality types as well. Many to one to one means in the both tables sometimes it is repeating only one time, that is one to one. And we have one to many, so in this table one side and other table having many number of times, then it is one to many. And also many to many, many to many means it has many number of times. It has a many number of times. Both sides it has many number of times. Both side the key value is repeating more than one time, that is many to many. Clear? Okay. So this is how the different kind of cardinalities you can able to create, and the relationships only one active relationship between two tables. So how to create a hierarchies? Hierarchies means I have a English country region name. This is the topmost one. Create a hierarchy. Okay, hierarchy name I'm going to give it as a location. And I want to add next level as state province name. Right click, add to hierarchy location. Okay. So the next one is city. Right click on the city, add to hierarchy. Now you are getting, when you drag and drop this location, automatically this country, state, city, all the details will coming over here. Alright guys, so let's continue tomorrow about the remaining things. We'll try to finish tomorrow this, then we will start a new topic of the data factory or whatever.
Ram, can you share any recorded video of SSDT installation? We missed that today.
It's very simple thing only. You don't need to do anything. Open the SSDT, click next, install, that's all.
Okay.